Travel smarter, not harder. Today we're diving into 20 innovative travel gadgets on Amazon under $50 that every traveler needs. From clever tech tools to must-have accessories, these budget-friendly gadgets will make your trips easier, safer, and way more fun. Stick around till the end because some of these surprising finds will completely change the way you travel. Number 1. Unihand AI Rechargeable Hand Warmers 2-Pack. The Unihand AI Rechargeable Hand Warmers 2-Pack is perfect for travelers facing cold climates. Compact and portable, each warmer delivers safe, long-lasting heat for up to 20 hours with an AI smart chip that automatically adjusts temperature to prevent overheating. Ideal for airports, outdoor adventures, or chilly hotel rooms, they slip easily into pockets or backpacks. Beyond warmth, they double as portable power banks to charge phones or small devices. Lightweight and sleek, these hand warmers combine comfort and practicality, making them an essential travel companion for anyone on the go. Number 2. Hero Neck Wallet RFID Passport Holder. The Hero Neck Wallet is a must-have for secure, hands-free travel. Featuring RFID blocking technology, it protects passports, credit cards, and cash from digital theft while remaining slim and lightweight. Worn around the neck or tucked under clothing, it keeps essentials safe and accessible in crowded airports or busy streets. Multiple compartments organize boarding passes, cards, and coins, while durable, water-resistant materials ensure long-lasting use. Stylish and practical, this wallet suits travelers, hikers, and city explorers alike, offering peace of mind and convenience wherever your journey takes you. Number 3. Elephas Mini Projector. 1080p, portable, turn any space into a private theater with the Elephas Mini Projector. Compact yet powerful, it supports full HD 1080p resolution, delivering crisp, vibrant visuals on the go. Plug-and-play setup allows instant connection with smartphones, laptops, or gaming devices, making it perfect for hotel rooms, campsites, or business presentations. Built-in speakers provide impressive sound for its size, and the adjustable projection angle ensures flexibility in any setting. Lightweight and portable, this mini projector lets travelers enjoy movies, stream shows, or work efficiently anywhere, transforming ordinary locations into immersive entertainment or productivity spaces. Number 4. Matein Travel Laptop Backpack USB. The Matein Travel Laptop Backpack combines style and functionality for modern travelers. It features a padded laptop compartment that fits up to 15.6-inch devices while protecting electronics during flights, commutes, or weekend trips. A built-in USB charging port allows convenient device charging on the go when paired with a power bank. Multiple compartments keep cables, bottles, and travel essentials organized. Lightweight, ergonomic, and made from durable materials, this backpack ensures comfort and practicality. Whether for work, study, or adventure, the Matein backpack offers a versatile, travel-ready solution for keeping belongings safe, accessible, and stylish. Number 5. JBL Clip 3 Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Clip 3 Bluetooth speaker is a compact, portable gadget for travelers who love music on the go. Waterproof and rugged, it survives rain, beach trips, and hiking adventures while delivering clear, rich audio. The clip design easily attaches to backpacks, belts, or gear for hands-free convenience. With up to 10 hours of battery life and Bluetooth connectivity for smartphones or tablets, it also supports hands-free calls. Lightweight and durable, this speaker enhances travel experiences, whether exploring outdoors, relaxing in a hotel, or enjoying group adventures, offering entertainment wherever your journey takes you. Number 6. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. iPhone Android. The Xenvo Pro Lens Kit enhances smartphone photography for travelers. Including a wide-angle and macro lens, it captures detailed landscapes and intricate close-ups with crystal clarity. Compatible with both iPhones and Android devices, it transforms your phone into a versatile camera without bulky gear. The clip-on design ensures quick installation, and the included LED light helps in low light conditions. Compact and travel-friendly, the kit easily fits in pockets or backpacks, perfect for capturing memories on trips, adventures, or city explorations. It's an essential accessory for travelers who want professional quality photos on the go. Number 7. Rack Multitool Pen 2-Pack. The Rack Multitool Pen 2-Pack is a versatile travel companion combining function and convenience. Each pen features a ballpoint, screwdriver, wrench, bottle opener, and stylus in one compact device, perfect for unexpected tasks on the go. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it's ideal for hiking, camping, or everyday travel. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the included backup pen allows sharing or ensures a spare is always available. Whether taking notes, making quick fixes, or opening packages, this multi-tool pen delivers practicality and style, making it an essential gadget for travelers seeking versatility and preparedness. Number 8. Anker Power Bank. 10,000 milliamp hours. Compact. The Anker power bank 10,000 milliamp hours is essential for travelers who rely on electronics. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into backpacks, purses, or jacket pockets, providing 2 to 3 full charges for smartphones and supplemental power for tablets or other devices. Fast charging technology ensures minimal downtime, while built-in safety features protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Perfect for airport layovers, outdoor adventures, or long trips, this power bank keeps devices ready for photos, calls, or navigation. Reliable and portable, it's a must-have travel gadget that keeps you connected wherever you go. Number 9. Cosori Coffee Mug Warmer Set. The Cosori Coffee Mug Warmer Set is ideal for travelers who can't go without hot beverages. This portable warmer maintains coffee, tea, or other drinks at the perfect temperature, making early mornings or long work sessions more enjoyable. Its compact design fits neatly on hotel desks, shared workspaces, or small camping tables. The included mug pairs perfectly with the warmer for a convenient, mess-free experience. Easy to clean and energy efficient, this set adds comfort and convenience to any travel routine, allowing you to enjoy warm drinks anywhere without sacrificing space or portability. Number 10. Travelambo Slim Leather Wallet. The Travelambo Slim Leather Wallet is designed for travelers who value style, security, and convenience. Crafted from premium leather, it holds cash, cards, and IDs while maintaining a slim profile for pockets or small bags. RFID blocking technology protects personal information from theft, making it ideal for crowded airports or markets. Despite its minimal size, it includes multiple card slots and compartments, keeping belongings organized. Durable, stylish, and travel-friendly, this wallet combines elegance with practicality. For minimalist travelers who want security and easy access to essentials, the Travelambo wallet is a sleek, reliable companion. Number 11. FlexSolar 40-watt foldable solar charger. The FlexSolar 40-watt foldable solar charger is perfect for travelers seeking off-grid power. Lightweight, portable, and foldable, it easily fits in backpacks, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or remote adventures. It efficiently converts sunlight into energy to charge phones, tablets, or power banks. Durable, water-resistant materials ensure reliable performance in various weather conditions, while multiple USB ports allow charging several devices at once. Compact and eco-friendly, this solar charger keeps your devices powered wherever your journey takes you, making it an essential gadget for outdoor enthusiasts and sustainable travelers alike. Number 12. Sonana Portable Mini Humidifier 300 milliliters. The Sonana Portable Mini Humidifier adds comfort to any travel environment. With a 300 milliliter water tank, it provides hours of soothing mist to combat dryness in hotel rooms, airplanes, or offices. Its compact, USB-powered design makes it easy to carry and operate anywhere. Ultra quiet, it won't disturb sleep or work, while the elegant design complements any space. Ideal for travelers seeking skin hydration, allergy relief, or a calm atmosphere, this mini humidifier is lightweight, convenient, and energy efficient. Enhance comfort on the go with this small but effective travel gadget. Number 13. Zest Dream Soft Travel Scarf Wrap. The Zest at Dream Soft Travel Scarf Wrap combines style and practicality for every traveler. Made from soft, breathable fabric, it provides warmth on flights, chilly evenings, or cool destinations. Its generous size allows it to be used as a scarf, wrap, or even a light blanket during long journeys. Lightweight and easy to fold into luggage, it's travel-friendly without sacrificing comfort. Elegant and versatile, this scarf wrap not only enhances your outfit but also adds a cozy layer wherever you go, making it a simple yet essential accessory for comfort-conscious travelers. Number 14. Monson Doorstop Alarm 120 decibels. Travel safely with the Monson Doorstop Alarm. A compact gadget that provides instant security anywhere. Placed under doors, it emits a 120 decibel alarm if someone tries to enter, alerting you immediately. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in luggage or backpacks, making it ideal for hotels, Airbnb stays, or dorms. Simple to use, durable, and reliable, it enhances personal safety while traveling alone or in unfamiliar environments. Number 15. Fayaka Men's Security Money Belt. The Fayaka Men's Security Money Belt keeps your valuables safe and accessible during travel. Slim, adjustable, and worn discreetly under clothing, it holds cash, passports, cards, and tickets securely. RFID blocking technology protects against digital theft, while durable, water-resistant material ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for airports, sightseeing, or crowded markets, this belt reduces the risk of loss or theft while keeping essentials close. Number 16. AUCOO Collapsible Travel Electric Kettle. The AUKUU Collapsible Travel Electric Kettle is a convenient solution for travelers who need hot water on the go. Made from food-grade silicone and stainless steel, it safely boils water in minutes. Its collapsible design saves space in backpacks or luggage, making it perfect for hotels, camping, or business trips. Lightweight, portable, and easy to clean, it supports multiple uses like tea, coffee, or instant meals. Number 17. Butril Portable Clothes Steamer. The Butril Portable Clothes Steamer keeps your clothes wrinkle-free during travel. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, it heats up quickly to remove creases from suits, dresses, or casual wear without the need for an ironing board. Its portable design fits easily into luggage, making it perfect for business trips, vacations, or weekend getaways. Gentle on fabrics and efficient in performance, the steamer keeps your wardrobe looking polished and professional. Number 18. Bayleaf Men Waterproof Rain Jacket. Stay dry on rainy adventures with the Bayleaf Men. Waterproof rain jacket, lightweight, breathable, and fully waterproof, it protects against rain and wind without feeling bulky. Adjustable cuffs, hood, and hem allow a customized fit, while durable materials ensure long-lasting wear. Ideal for hiking, sightseeing, or commuting. It packs easily into backpacks or luggage. Stylish yet functional, this jacket combines performance with comfort, making it a reliable travel companion for unpredictable weather conditions. Number 19. Be Green Travel Shoe Organizer 6 pieces. The Be Green Travel Shoe Organizer set keeps footwear organized and protected on the go. Each pack of 6 lightweight, durable bags fits shoes of various sizes, preventing dirt from spreading inside luggage. Made from breathable materials, they allow air circulation while keeping shoes separated from clothes. Compact and easy to fold, they slide neatly into suitcases or backpacks. Number 20. Repel Windproof Compact Travel Umbrella. The Repel Windproof Compact Travel Umbrella is a must-have for unpredictable weather. With a sturdy, wind-resistant frame and Teflon-coated canopy, it withstands strong winds and repels rain effortlessly. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry in backpacks or luggage, while the automatic open and close button adds convenience during sudden downpours. Durable and travel-friendly, this umbrella ensures protection without bulk, making it ideal for commuting, sightseeing, or outdoor adventures. That wraps up our list of 20 innovative travel gadgets under $50 on Amazon. These affordable, must-have tools will make your trips easier, safer, and more fun. Don't forget to check the links and grab your favorites today.